In today's video, we're going to review Bitget, a rising star in the cryptocurrency exchange market. Bitget was founded in 2018 in Singapore and has since expanded its operations globally. Known initially for its derivatives trading, Bitget has quickly established itself as a formidable player in the cryptocurrency exchange market. Its competitive fees, advanced trading features, and strong focus on derivatives make it an attractive option for both beginners and experienced traders. So let's get started. In terms of trading volume, Bitget is currently in the top 20 cryptocurrency exchanges list and will be in the top 10 exchanges by the end of the year. So now let's explore its key features, focusing on spot trading, margin trading, copy trading, leverage options, and other trading features available on the Bitget platform. Spot trading on Bitget. Spot trading is the backbone of any crypto exchange, and Bitget doesn't disappoint. Wide range of trading pairs. Over 972 cryptocurrencies markets are available user-friendly interface. Easy to navigate order books and charts, advanced order types. Limit, market, and stop limit orders, low fees, starting at 0.1% for both makers and takers, real-time market data. Helps you make informed trading decisions. Now let's explore Bitget futures. If you're a beginner and don't know what futures trading is, let me quickly explain it to you. Futures trading allows you to speculate on cryptocurrency's price without owning the underlying assets. This means you can potentially profit from both rising and falling markets. Bitget offers several types of futures products to cater to different trading preferences. USDT futures. These are perpetual futures contracts settled in Tether. They allow you to trade with a stable coin, which can help mitigate volatility. USDC futures, similar to USDTM. These contracts are settled in USD coin, providing another stable option for traders. CoinM futures. These include both perpetual and delivery futures contracts settled in actual cryptocurrencies. This option is great for those who want direct exposure to the underlying coins. Key features of Bitget futures trading bots. One of the standout features is the ability to create smart contract trading bots. These bots can automate your trading strategies, allowing you to trade without constantly monitoring the market. Futures copy trading. If you're unsure about your trading skills, Bitget offers a copy trading feature. You can follow and copy the trades of top futures traders, which is a great way to learn and potentially profit. As for the maximum leverage, Bitget offers up to 125x leverage on future trades. Bitget's copy trading feature, which is perfect for beginners looking to dive into cryptocurrency trading without feeling overwhelmed. Copy trading allows you to automatically replicate the trades of experienced traders, known as masters, who have a proven track record of success. When you use this feature, you can browse through a list of top-performing masters, see their trading strategies, and check their performance history. This means you can choose to follow someone whose trading style aligns with your goals, whether you prefer conservative strategies or more aggressive approaches. Once you select a master to follow, your account will automatically execute the same trades they make, allowing you to benefit from their expertise without needing to analyze the market yourself. This is a fantastic way to learn the ropes of trading while potentially earning profits. Plus, Bitget provides detailed insights and statistics on each master, so you can make informed decisions about whom to follow. It's an easy and effective way to get started in the world of crypto trading. Next on the list is the Bitget Market section. This section provides a user-friendly interface to browse and explore trading opportunities. In this section, you'll find the list of top trending trading pairs as well as top gainers and top losers, fear and greed index, newly listed coins, and trading volume and heat map of the top 50 cryptocurrencies. Users can also research and analyze the gainers from different sectors, such as fan tokens, Bitcoin ecosystem, meme coins, decentralized finance, real-world assets, metaverse, etc. In this part of the video, let's talk about Bitget's demo trading feature, which is perfect for beginners who want to practice trading without risking real money. Demo trading allows you to simulate trading on the platform using virtual funds, so you can test out different strategies and get a feel for how the markets work without any financial consequences. To access demo trading, simply head to the Futures section and select the Demo option. You'll be given a set of virtual funds to start with, and you can use these to place buy and sell orders just like in real trading. The prices and market movements will be based on real-time data, so you'll get an authentic trading experience. As you practice, you can try out different order types, experiment with leverage, and even use Bitget's advanced trading tools like the built-in charting platform. This is a great way to learn the ropes of futures trading without the stress of risking your hard-earned money. Once you feel confident in your trading skills and want to transition to real trading, you can easily switch back to the live markets. Bitget makes it seamless to move between demo and live trading, so you can keep building your experience and confidence as you go. So if you're new to crypto trading, be sure to take advantage of Bitget's demo trading feature. It's the perfect way to get your feet wet and develop your trading skills in a risk-free environment. Let's dive into Bitget's Trading Bots feature, which is a fantastic option for beginners looking to streamline their cryptocurrency trading experience. Bitget offers a variety of smart trading bots designed to automate your trading strategies, making it easier to maximize your earnings without needing to constantly monitor the market. For example, you can use the Spot Grid bot to automate trades by setting up a grid of buy and sell orders at different price levels. This helps you take advantage of market fluctuations without having to manually execute each trade. If you're interested in futures trading, the Futures Grid bot allows you to amplify your trades with leverage, which can increase your potential profits. Bitget also provides specialized bots like the Futures Martingale bot, which helps lower volatility by automatically adjusting your positions based on market movements. There's even a Futures Signal bot that integrates with TradingView for real-time monitoring and execution of trades based on market signals. With these bots, you can choose strategies that align with your trading goals, whether you're bullish, bearish, or looking to trade in sideways markets. This feature is perfect for beginners who want to enter the trading world with less risk and more automation, allowing you to focus on learning and growing your investment portfolio while the bots handle the heavy lifting. The pre-market feature on Bitget, which is an exciting opportunity for traders looking to get in early on new tokens. Pre-market trading allows you to buy and sell new cryptocurrencies before they are officially listed for spot trading on the exchange. This means you can access tokens at potentially favorable prices and quantities, giving you a head start before the wider market gets involved. When you use the pre-market feature, you'll find an over-the-counter, OTC, trading platform where you can connect with other buyers and sellers. This is especially beneficial for those who want to capitalize on new projects and emerging trends in the crypto space. You can view available coins, track past tokens, and manage your orders all in one place. For beginners, this feature is a great way to diversify your portfolio and explore new investment opportunities. Just keep in mind that with early access comes the need for careful research, as new tokens can be more volatile. Now let's explore the Bitget Earn feature, which is a fantastic way for beginners to grow their cryptocurrency assets effortlessly. Bitget Earn allows you to earn interest on your crypto holdings by participating in various investment products offered on the platform. When you use Bitget Earn, you can choose from different products that offer varying annual percentage rates, APRs, and durations. This means you can select options that align with your financial goals, whether you want to earn interest quickly or are looking for longer-term investments. The process is simple. Just deposit your crypto into one of the available products, and you'll start earning interest on your assets. Bitget emphasizes safety and convenience, ensuring that your investments are managed professionally. This feature is perfect for those who want to make their idle crypto work for them without the need for active trading. So, if you're looking to grow your crypto portfolio passively, be sure to check out Bitget Earn and see how you can start earning interest on your digital assets. Bitget is a centralized exchange, and in order to adhere to KYC and AML regulatory compliance measures, the users are required to provide verification documents to access all features that are available on the platform, as well as increased deposit and withdrawal limits. The verification process is almost instant. It normally takes under an hour. You don't have to wait for days, and the supported documents that the exchange accepts for Level 1 and Level 2 verification are: Level 1 verification requires an ID card or a passport or a driver's license, and proof of residence. For Level 2 verification, they require bank statements, utility bills, within the last 3 months, or an internet and phone bill should suffice. Bitget is currently not accepting users from the following countries. Let's take a look at the various deposit methods available on Bitget, making it easy for you to fund your account and start trading cryptocurrencies. Bitget offers a wide range of deposit options, including bank deposits, credit/debit card payments, and P2P trading. For bank deposits, you can conveniently deposit fiat currencies like Euro, RUB, UAH, and BRL directly from your bank account. Simply navigate to the Buy Crypto section, select your preferred fiat currency, and click on Bank Deposit. Follow the prompts to enter the deposit amount, confirm the details, and complete the transaction. Once your deposit is credited, you'll receive a notification via email and an internal message. If you prefer using a credit or debit card, Bitget has you covered. The Quick Buy feature allows you to instantly purchase cryptocurrencies like BTC, ETH, USDT, and more using your card. This is a great option for those who want to get started quickly without the need for bank transfers. For those looking for an alternative to traditional deposit methods, Bitget offers P2P trading. This feature enables you to buy cryptocurrencies directly from other users using various payment methods, including bank transfers, e-wallets, and even cash deposits. P2P trading provides a flexible and convenient way to fund your account, especially if you're in a region with limited banking options. Bitget ensures a smooth and secure process, allowing you to focus on your trading journey with competitive fees and fast processing times. Do give it a try. Let's break down the trading fees on Bitget, which are designed to be competitive and user-friendly, especially for beginners. The spot trading fee for non-VIP users is 0.100% both maker and taker, and if they use BGB token, then they get 20% discount on the fee, dropping it to 0.080% maker and taker. Bitget offers discounts on these fees for holders of their native token, BGB. If you hold BGB token, you can enjoy lower trading fees, which can save you money over time, especially if you're an active trader. Additionally, Bitget has a VIP program that rewards users based on their trading volume and BGB holdings. As you trade more and hold more BGB, you can unlock even greater discounts and benefits, making it easier to maximize your profits. As for the withdrawal fees and minimum withdrawal amount, although the network fees is same across all the popular crypto exchanges. However, the minimum withdrawal amount is what matters in this case. For instance, the minimum withdrawal amount for USDT on TRC20 is 10 USDT, while the fees is 1 USDT, and the withdrawal fee on ERC20 is 6 USDT, and minimum withdrawal is 1 USDT. As for Binance Smart Chain BEP20, the fees is 0.33 USDT, and minimum withdrawal is 0.001 USDT. Finally, I want to share an exciting opportunity for all you crypto beginners out there. If you're looking to start your trading journey, now is the perfect time to sign up for Bitget using the referral code given in the description. By doing so, you can unlock an exclusive sign-up bonus that will give your trading experience a fantastic boost right from the start. So, don't miss out. Click the link in the description below or use the referral code when you sign up to claim your bonus. Join the Bitget community today and take your first steps into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. Let's get started on your crypto journey together.